Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed on this show by the host or the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guest or the guests do not reflect those of the host or the hosts and of the channel.
So this is our code of conduct. Dumelang gape o kana ko ela itse gore ke mang ke Lucky Khosimang ba re ba mo itseng sentle ba re ke letebele le ntshonyana la bora mesega ba maitsukula kaname setlhare sa moretlwa se se jetseng fa thoko ga tsela ka le rapo la motho le le phesuo gompieno. I've got a very special guest mo podcasting ya rona, Know Him or Her Muitsi podcast. Ke na le ga ke rate go nna ke ntse ke itlhalosa la itse by now gore my guests ke ba fa the honors and the respect of introducing themselves ka gore nna ga nka dira jalo ke a go fosa sengwe or ke a go ketsa sengwe. So abuti o siana
bona ke tsogile go siana. Yeah man.
Otherwise
wa re leboga modimo fela.
a re leboge modimo. A re leboge modimo. So o siame mo letsatsing la gompieno?
Yeah, tota re siame go siana.
Physically, mentally, spiritually.
It's brother, you know what? Like there's a way like isn't like that I choose to live for it. Like no matter what happens,
yeah.
Re leboga la botshelo fela.
A re leboge le mbotsi.
Yeah, because now like go la ga go thusi tota.
Yeah.
So nje whether go yana or go yana bona re leboga la botshelo so kunje ke sharp.
And as long as re ka gatela go pele, that's the only thing.
Exactly.
Especially ka kgwedi bokete e mo. Yes, ke kgwedi eo. But before re simolla a go re bolella batho gore o mang, o tswa kae. Sentle ke na le mampanda gara ke na le Leroy HD ba re mona high definition ya no ma.
No man, working can na oratile matlaupane. Yeah, no ke tswa go Velberg to go unit 2 ko ziraste. So ke go le teng mama le papa le di siblings tsotlhe fela. And again last born kwa. Yeah, no,
that's fine.
Yeah, working can I have a the working the stigma around Corona or he
o ngana ha mama o last born
and yeah no me yeah like working again no right deal but then yeah mo gauteng ke Leroy
mo gauteng o Leroy ke botsa Leroy o tswa kae ke dzorno re matla o bana ha ka ke ba go falina aka ke re matla o bana ba Leroy.
Yeah no maro it's Leroy ne working na lina lo litlile like there was a time like ne ke le ko primary school na so no khona le chomi yaka lina la khela tshwane le Kevin.
Yeah.
Oh man. So gunje like lena that day be la ta mama ke re mama le nne ga tlina la. Okay. So working and which one do you want?
Yeah.
Karawa Kevin alright.
No, igik.
Yeah, I hope ile ga leo. So she gave me a working the options A3.
Yeah.
So nje tsotlhe ne le body L names tsotlhe.
Nah.
Yeah, so then I chose Leroy. No actually like Lina Lele Leroy actually.
Oh, yeah. Nah.
Yeah, so me I was like Leroy.
Alright, no, ke tsenya spices sa segoa.
Yeah, man. So yeah, jole barking like since vele ko primary
Yeah. So it's what I see. It's not. So some Gauteng recently.
No, man. No.
Long back.
Jole like nigga some grade 5 or 6. Like jole that's like 20 years ago.
No, lo honga baretsi jo.
Yeah. So
lo honga baretsi jo.
Yeah.
Let's say ul embrace ene la go berekela. Tsero go mantombazaneng.
Come on.
Awara bana mo jozi ba re ke a butile ro. Ka ba re go ratile ba. Wa romance ntle.
Barking can also replace him. What's okay?
What the mutu? Replacing.
Yeah, man.
And then Bahulu, you know, you're very fortunate because you spoke of a unit. I'm very big on family. So it's so comforting and gives so much hope. Udla motho nzele na go bolela no mama le papa bating, that's a blessing on its own. Siblings bating. So that's great.
Hey man. Hey. Yeah, actually what you will happen like you see like looking in hindsight actually.
Yeah.
You start to value that actually more now. Barking can wait killing last week my brother.
Yeah.
Resego, like I think you know him.
Yeah.
So anunje nekutloka something yana bitleke samolele. I've known ngoma life. So anunje like you see the family unit thing actually, I was like actually
actually I'm not doing this life thing alone.
Yeah.
That's the and you know Leroy, I think go botlhokwa gore batho re tlhaloganye gore ditsala are for a season. Like ditsala and how gola, especially how late teenager, we bolela your friends are your everything. O kreba gomanya right ba ngomanya motlung ba abutile le ausi le mama le papa ba ntloile batho ba tlhaloganya batho ba nthatang ke ditsala tsana.
Yeah.
Until you now or actually
exactly
like your friend how morare ke go bontuse aga ska was like what happened with your brother aga ga ba go manya the way abudo mona no ba tla re mona ke go thuse mona mabe
to say kanye tloniketle pele marriage like my family will be like like wa sample like go blele or case up high or maybe thing. Yeah, man. So now, you working, you learn to realize like some things like later on in life, and then like when you still have them, you now think what actually is like I am like really blessed actually.
Man,
like crazy, bro.
That's a blessing.
Yeah.
That's a blessing. Mama le baba still in good health?
Yeah, no, actually, yeah, man. Okay, sharp. Botshelo
ke botshelo ba golo ba godile.
No, as in like since vale thing very. Mara mamona ka barking kana mo Gauteng lo ka mane posted. Ramatla pa
santsana le go gae.
Go serious.
Yeah,
no, but then like barking barking ana gotle fela nje. As in like santse le sharp.
Re monate.
Pro tlesently unit ele santse le teng ele as o hebile barking kana this morning ne ke bale barking magana prove ke mo tlhalosetsa boy remember barking magana khosi barking na reta something fun man like shout out.
No, that's ke tlola ke ra batho ke bara kere wa itse motho o kopane le batho and the kind of person that you are it's a reflection of, especially nna ke atle ke rialo mo madeng ba basimane gore the your reflection is your father's in a sense ya gore ke tsa gore ga o godile le ene mo tlung, you look at him and you're like, yeah man, this is my superhero. Out here. So papa gago very respectful to this age. I think Professor Matlaubane bo ma 71 mara ga mbona bra giri Professor Mane ke tse ke bitse wena bra prof why o bitsa nna bra like very respectful.
But what's weird actually isn't like this morning Nikki Boyle actually he literally said, oh, but brachos. I was like, oh okay. Had a you know, no, but okay, you know what? Like, contrary to what you said, actually, man, me, okay, so barking. Can I get it? Like, me, I was the last born.
Yes.
So most of the things that my siblings actually, as in like barking. The experience with my dad.
Yeah.
Me, I never really got, you know, as like, boy, that discipline.
Yes. Yeah, that discipline.
Yeah. You know, like, so now, like, my dad like wasn't really. I really don't know how to put, but then, like, let's say, he wasn't very, like, working. Strict like that.
Yeah, that's strict. Yes,
but then he had a look or
ne wa yizo gora ha go lebella gore wa yizo ra ya nungi dzile mo tseleng ya no
kone gape le ele ya gore you've seen what he did to your brother.
Yes, to your brother. Gara di mana ha ka kwata mo
yeah, man. So now, to Barking kind of dead, ne? Me, I never saw my dad like how the typical social as I would say, like, look at Joe.
Yeah, at Joe hero like that.
Me, I saw him as my father. And
yeah.
Okay. Profi. I like you must behave, and that's like, it. Barking, like, don't fuck around.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Then later on in life, as in like, okay, let's say the last like 10 years.
Yeah.
You then realize, or actually, as in like,
yeah,
as in like he's the star actually. You know.
Yeah.
Like he did like Barking as in like similar for you.
Everything hustling in whatever way to make sure hore uba sharp or a family iba sharp.
Sure, fam.
It's incredible. Man. It's incredible.
Yeah, man. Oh, man. But yeah, sure. No, it's like it's still good. You be like, okay. As like sometimes I do drama things.
Yeah.
It's like yeah, no, yeah.
One more thing in the trenches. That's his life. What did you want? I don't know. If there's any word that needs to be copyrighted by anyone,
actually,
ako copyright the go titibai or ga mongwe fela tla ba kwa le script ya tsentse wa titibai o itse no sentanyana ya tsela
Barking kana wait to be like speak about that.
Yeah.
So my body ne ke nagana about like that video you made as in like 3 years back. Yeah. So somebody sent me that video as in like Barking randomly like explain next.
Yeah.
So I know in jail like they got the last like 15 seconds.
Yes.
Barking can like that part yeah. It's in a room and so and then nobody sees you.
Yeah.
So I know Barking as in like the first thing that I picked up like was your Swana. I was like I was just okay. And then when I go to Titiba and Gara, I will allow that. You must throw one fella. I'm an achieve. or Titiban.
Yeah.
So I was like, actually, that should be copyright, man. Like,
Yeah.
like seriously.
Like seriously, because he personified the word. He was proud. Like I can imagine Ramatlao Bana dirisa lefoko leo a le go Grahamstown ko Maxhosi and being proud about it and being able to explain it to Maxhosa, and he says if you can't understand it ka Setswana it's fine.
It's fine.
Re tla go bontsha mo stage. Gore what do we mean?
Whenever he did that,
like it's mind-boggling how talented he is and how always willing to give an advice to a young man and say, "Envy to I've been down that road, or else retlabu," and he was that kind of person. Like when bagolo ba nne rena le bone ko dikolong tse re di tseneng ya ka ko ikageleng ma teacher ba tla gomanya, and sometimes they would really say hurtful things, but he wasn't like that. He was more gentle than everybody else ba re kopaneng le bone, where ga gomanya is he tries to come to level a 17-year-old. So such a brilliant man, and Tatilim retla meet at Sunderbitze prof.
I know working and one day very soon we working and I wanna have like how they feel like a break or something around the meeting.
First festival because ke feel gore platform e tshwanang le ga re simolla ne re simollela gore re bue Setswana le Batswana to a point where we preserve and embrace Setswana. Mara re bua le ordinary people ba ilong gore they've made an impact e rileng mo matshelong a batho, have made an impact e rileng in whatever form ya botshelo e ba le mo go yone, and being proudly Motswana. And that's the reason why today I was like, name it a go re bitseng Leroy. Arabidzing Leroy.
Mara ntse ke bua se khwatha tera mana mo mafara tlhatlheng ya re tlo re go bitsana
Ona Setswana mo mafara tlhatlheng sa tlhokagala. Because we want gore re kere batho ba bantsinyana gore ba re retse. And but what drew me to you was the fact ya gore ga wa le bala go tswandi. Ga wa le bala motho o leng. And for me platform e tshwanang le that's why it was created. Go no mfetho re tlo go bua Setswana. Batho ba go nna le feeling ya gore re bua Setswana le ga ile gore dilo tse dingwe o le motho ga o kgone go expressa ka Setswana, mara fo tsenyang le re o la seeng ding re tla tlhaloganya ra kopanya le foko le la Sekgowa ga o le kopanya la Setswana so ke sentences.
Yeah, no, actually true working and I like you just made me realize something gore the Tswana working and like the culture ne ga capture working and pila no because no ana like you see no ana ga re ka ya mo shopong no ana we talk like a random person ka Motswana they'll probably tell you about Kulenya. And I'm like,
we've offered.
Yeah, man, it's working. Like, Lena sometimes is a local Latanyana, but then that's because of my speech disorder. And so now, I'm like change the dialect, like little language here. And but yeah, man, you're right. Like, it's like this is very important actually. Yeah, the gore read gore no man. I wanna working ntse ke le Leroy mo Gauteng yana Barking kana sentle ka Motswana. Maloba, my cousin, he was making fun of me, Maloba. So like Barking kana like ne ke go babysitter like jaga Maloba. So now I'm just my cousin like mo tseleng da re ntse re are Barking Leroy and Barking ga fitlhe kwa lentsa kwa Barking like fitlha go manyantsa re ntse so re ska ro sa dira jalo sorry like was pila go ga ke nna Motswana o o me o
wena malobe
it's yeah yes go re ska ro wa
ke go retsi wa what so ke wena ka elo hore ga se gore re kopile go rotla kwano because of anything else mara ra tlhaloganya gore puo mo maranyaneng mo interneteng mo social media o ka se bui the way re batlang gore e buiwe ka teng mara se re go bileditseng sone ke gore o ipela ka so leng sone and that's it tse dingwe tse re tla di bona ko morago re tla di ithuta ko morago ka gore go botlhokwa kwa gore ga o le motho o ikitse so ke batla go boela ko morago
okay
ke batla go boela ko morago how was it like go golela ko go teng ke go mongwe mo Shibidu
this is the reason what I hate
go le furutse ga teng go mongwe o mo Shibidu
go serious
yeah
mana wait for nana is Barking kana like I was never Barking like steered by Barking like the peer pressure or wena gore hey o tsa zira sto ko mo re dira lang so like for so me actually growing up there was like as in like fairly okay you know yeah because like it's in ko Palamakua be ke babusing be ke tsholofelo mangope be ke go Ikageleng
high school
and then I moved out ka matric be ke Barking ana Mafikeng
yeah
so now being from there and then like just actually being go the not so as in like nice schools and whatever so like enough for net was okay just in okay ejo praga as in like school is school to gara school ngrotle though I get like as in like no na di peer pressure nyane or hey why not tsena ko as in like the most corrupt school but okay sharp like more I would feel it but then like working like the way we grew up actually like we were not taught hore working kind the material things you know, and like you must have best car best houses and like money and material things so now okay sharp hore okay fit the school you went to whatever but then making logical sense more so I was like but then this school talk yeah, I mean like this school since the fellow I wa boa radla rotle it's fine working kana okay sharp lona let's rugby nyana rona re dlala ball okay then, sharp and then what you know?
and then what
so my upbringing like was I would say was that like peaceful you know like more content hey man yes okay sharp. Like we don't have the best white but then like you could feel the warmth of like a home so, you know
man
like when I was in like I realized later on like there were people who were looking down on Hoja Papa King Commerce and then like Barking kind of like for Nibile like that was my favorite actually. So when they look at it,
so I'm like,
That slaps.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. So yeah, like me as like growing up there was thinking of okay, federe sharp like no as in a school since like fella mama papa thing, one rahola in. Then I realized later on in life, breaking. And I remember we spoke about like realizing how like you are blessed and all that for edu. Yes, we didn't have the best of the world where is it like breaking and socially like we should, but then every year my dad made sure how ready Calabashi, Grahamstown or Makufe, as in like we see the world.
We see the world. Exposure.
Yeah. Then I was like, okay, like let's say like the working and like the last as in like 6 years working I'm working. Then I realized I'm not working and it's like you were so privileged. As in like a lot of kids actually. You got to attend as in like things that people actually as in like dream to actually
experience.
You know, and so yeah, like I wanna. That's why I can say my childhood was golden.
Nah.
Yeah, but they're like not really in
the conventional way that people would because people thinking in a conventional way is
exactly those things, you know. And hey man, like I wanna just being like working in a home, mama home, papa home, like working kind of. They allow you to actually as in like just be yourself,
express yourself,
you know,
offering you that exposure. Such a beautiful like childhood.
Yeah, no, like that's how I grew up actually. But then like I went to working as in working, and like I said, they're not so
glamorous schools.
Yes, you know? Actually, what's again now? Like okay, so like there's like low-key funny story.
Yeah.
So like mother house now. Right next door there was a primary school. It's like Sanjali Tengluno.
YouTube.
Mare. Ronare tsene ko babuseng.
Ukwa.
Yeah? Cool guys. So I was like this one time because some as in like my parents weren't like why can't Teresa anymore Arabic because like yeah Joe as in like literally next door.
Yeah.
Ne like but I to pay what school fees, but then I'm like le school for us. So I know this is like Zaga Lisa so I was like
busy.
So I was like nah man. Then as in like later on in life I was like no, they were the head of the SGB ko babu saying so being there barking kana bana ba go batsena kwa
wena what makes that's incredible.
Yeah, then I was like that's why I really go because like they
because how and like it's a proper life lesson ya gore we sayang ngwana wa gago go sekolong se wena o filang gore ga se sharp ke ra gore se sharp wena se o berekang go sona or se leng SGB go sona ha se sharp.
Exactly. So it's how like then I was like oh wow yeah man because le nna motlhogong ya ka was like I eba go lana le patala school for every month like the complain like school fees samo
if it's
like because now like Prague, like we can just walk there like fast the school starts so we just walk back.
Yeah man, that's a proper lesson. I hope a lot of people by eleng gore re batsa as our leaders and you know o gore o tla go temang o bereka ko public hospital mara ha ka ya go public hospital why wena o feel gore the services tse wena o di fang batho ga di good enough for you that's a yes that's a mental shift
what's happen at the same time na happy as in like working and looking at the hindsight thing actually like Rona going to those schools actually helped us a lot because now remember Rona like working and a corporal punishment like the sharpie wasn't like discipline was a thing so now that really helped us a lot, bro. You know, working because no as in you know your lane and happy you know her ejo but whole about
period
born
period
I wanna be happy like la bona motho like whether mogolo or ngwana dumela buti dumela aus you know and how like working kana like how to motileng loss so buela motho ka maitseo sentle so so I'm just no you're looking at back what am kana jola re tsene ba buseng le tshorofelo mango as like the most corrupt school ko vedi mare you came out and like now you are here now
the environment did not define you
next no actually na working like a low-key did isn't it working like defined you to be a better person
oh yes you can look at it that way because but ba ntse ba rata go level on the negative side of it all no tsontsora be lwena o tswada o le corrupt o le o sa good
farapono actually isn't like you know it like I might get in trouble for this, but it's okay now. As in, like, there's a guy called Thabiso Chauki. Nah? So, like working, and there was a working. As a working, the gang working, and then he was the leader, no? Like, isn't like issue, like my beds. Isn't like
rather easy
now I am like really not sure where it's but then he works go the delegate whatever you saw go like
he's a big man
bruh he is a respectable man now so now I was like look at that now
look at that
so like working in a DTX now
look at
that now he is a well-respected
person, gent.
Incredible. And internationally, actually.
So the goal is there is ongo for zone man ha go slega mos.
Actually, no, working like it's just about the mindset actually. You know, as in like just understanding okay, yes, sharp. And happily stages
also to
like I really don't know how to put this, but then like just be the best person for yourself.
For yourself.
I know, isn't it?
And the environment and the community. You know, it's interesting that you are speaking about a mindset. Kenale lendwana gagi. He's one of the person by Langkot. Hagi buale. Aron tlhalosetsa seng ke a ema for 5 minutes gore a fetse go bua because ona le speech impediment
okay
lona la re wa kokwetsa
no le nna ka kokwetsa
and because ke batla gore ke tsene sentle mo kganya gore on a speech impediment ki disability per se as other people might look at it but your mentality is off the chart your confidence is off the chart to a point that gore o bua le batho ba ileng gore babo ma 1,000 mo life ya gago on TikTok mara I'm sure ga ba itse gore wa kokwetsa like gona le ngwana o mong wherever they watching this Habana the confidence that you have.
Yeah.
I mean we are looking at like you one of them Kiwo Kitabase Mohoring whenever he gets nervous whenever he needs to sit where you sitting.
Yeah, I know.
Wa go fetsa space sa di camera re wa bua. So my question comes from Faba Fanabagi.
What's yeah, man. What I was thinking about that actually like yesterday morning, working like because Lina negli nervous so ish. Asas mo ke content ke o mothimo so I don't know like there's something wait okay working kind of like there's something that as in like that happened while okay working and me actually me so like like the neighborhood, like little friends we had actually, now somehow subconsciously, like very rutile khonna confident as in like how you are, as in working and via ho guaran.
Via ho guaran.
Bro, come on, you so no working kana like mother street like sag. Nele low team one had this peep so her quick with a rough ne barking and a bad den ne every day after school like ratlakana le majite rotera guarana most right so now they would make fun barking and coverena ne but then like not to ridicule us ne but then like just like low key to make you feel what no man barking and it's fine so like
it's okay babe.
You are a friend it's fine barking bomuki mon karo ball barking like one wa kwezena kului in so no so I just like right say because you could feel gore motho gang tlontlol marinje like working and right say so yeah so now like so I know like which goes back to like working and what I told you about like me growing up like I never felt horror I am working kind of like the special child until like what he hears how and then like like nobody was impatient with me so which is something Lena that like working and like subconsciously was like oh okay so could you like you are not sharp so now working and bringing it to now like doing the
doing
like 2,000 people
man that's incredible man
okay this is okay sharp like this is when the TikTok part started like, as in like not the whole working and a brand of the podcast
not the brand of the piece
like there was a time Nikki reads the show as in like the Askman part more then like this one time I was like dude man because now I get on working and I get like the majority conversations and as in like me I would speak alone no man bariki man kind like anonza wetsa hlaka no it's like this and that then like this one time maybe crash pane somewhere go bariki and silver tin as in like bariki and like the office nearly as in like the Wi-Fi thing, you know, like,
Yeah.
then I was like, and like, you know what? Let me do a listening party.
Yeah.
Right? Maybe as in like, but what I feeling like or issue, like we love the show and then like as in like what happened.
What
there,
happened
so
there?
you know,
Yeah.
like in a way. But the first month, my page went from like a few hundred people to about like 2,000.
Hey.
I was like,
Exponential jump.
okay. Then that first month, they gave me my first warning gospel.
Or I know Spanish. I was online.
No, guys. Hey, so I get a king as in like the head of marketing. So who indicates a marketing motor? And then Mariano, the flop in Elohore, it was barking, and as in like it was slowing down.
Yeah.
The barking.
Oh, slowing down the Wi-Fi the speed. Benway.
Hey.
Hey.
They were like, I want to didn't say card. So that's when now okay, start parking. And like the other people parking, and I helped. But then okay, back to the confidence part.
Yeah.
I won't lie to you, Pinchaga, like those thoughts actually came.
Nah.
Or hey, you're gonna be jazzed, hey, you're gonna be dragged, or hey, oh my god, is a king and a damn man. But then there's like this thing, yeah. I as in like low-key switch off the thoughts.
The thoughts.
For as in like nako eo. Then I'm like with the but I got said.
But then, what you saying?
Yeah, we see the boy is again. Working, can I like what's it's fine working, and at least the listen so then I get with back.
Yeah.
So I born so I know how do you working and the thoughts as like did like happy working like while there. Then I tell myself, oh, brother, Hitler, so might as well fit. So,
podcast they don't fail.
Yeah, once is fine. You know? So yeah, man, like so I know like I learned how to as in like working as in like psych myself because like as in like this is working kind of like something that I really enjoy. Kubu and happy exchange
thoughts
and
views, opinions.
Yeah, you know, so I'm like, okay, guys, like this is what I thought, man.
Yeah.
I'm just like lonely better, and then working as like
back and forth communication.
So now I'm just I'm looking together. Man, I'm work quick is about but then more I'm like, okay, it's fine, dog.
Arrange.
3 years later. And now like there are random people actually killing kind of like yesterday so I get a Wednesday like it's a Wednesday. So yesterday was Friday. There was a lady who kept on sending me the message from like 9 Arisho. Can't I was asking me if I get like I get like Honala now go.
Dira ask him, man.
So I was like, dude, you have this impact now.
Yeah. From a person on Pilates, sometimes your confidence level drops down. Or I'd rather keep quiet because I can't get the message across. To a point where now people are like him too.
Like them not lie, no
way.
Okay, small like up my parking like half past 10. But I'm not saying no it's a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, hey, man. I think that comes with like a level of working and as in like contentment, as in like okay, like you understand what you are not perfect.
Yeah.
So it's like just be content with that.
With that.
And I happy like is in as in like just do your best. The show, yeah, working, yeah, Ask a Man.
Yeah.
That's a radio show actually, right? So like, there's a relationships working, and I think like where like working kind of somebody who actually isn't like phone it as well for working in a relationship advice. Yeah. So now that concept like was because DJ Naked was the co-host. Like he's still there actually. So the idea was fella okay, but someone for relationship advice. For like a different view, you know. And I feel like that show started a long time ago. Like nakwele parking kana bo bonang as like they were on parking kana on Metro FM. Yeah, it's like khale. So now me, I used to listen to it as like then, right? Because I was just in the parking as like rata mjolo conversations as like bana like okay so kwenye how so then and then like later on in life I was like no man, like from this show actually you can like learn like what to do, what not to do, how jola when I feel like yeah, or maybe as in like you are married or whatever. So then I started listening to like that show as like then now 2023, so I have this brand name called like Makwaya Rundown. Sharp. And I love listening to this show. Sharp. So now I was like like a show, Mariano Paraking is like I want every time make it hey man, Paraking and like announce what's okay. Then it started there. Let me just do a listening like party with the show live more radio. Then it started. Wait, so it kind of like what was the initial question?
And the initial question was, but nothing or babudiwa ing, but it's fine.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
no,
you getting there?
Yeah, no, basically relationship advice there. So just sometimes I can't know why it's like majita phone like that. Isn't like when I live with mental like mental health breaking that is like problems because of
relationships. Mojolo gozi bana. So and utlwa bua ka Ask a Man e tswa bogologolo kwa bonang e sentse le presenter le no mojolo sentse no suputsa majeni.
Exactly. So yeah, man, I wanna know and the working as in like this month's working and theme. So like there was just the thing of what someone how they feel about that thing, you know?
Yeah.
Because normally working kind of conventionally like working like as in like Mjolo was like just a woman's thing and like gents wouldn't really have like those working kind of like discussions.
Yes.
So working kind of like I would love to believe that there was the concept. So Angelina became adapt. I look no, actually okay, sharp. It work Mjolo mona, but then happy. I'm a big working like a working kind of like. Me, I'm a big advocate for as in like breaking and agents actually mainly because of the mental health things, you know, because now like Breaking, can I say like socially, hey, monna must real men are men. So now,
ndoda must.
So now we are forgetting that like men are also human beings.
Yeah.
So now like we see via the show, okay, like born. Me, I'm standing for the gens who are doing the right things, but then like they are painted with the same brush or hey, men are trash.
Men are trash.
Yeah, so Javaya Mjolo Lore,
Yeah.
Mjita Chumjita, born.
Ne.
Kenaloe Nampenjaka.
Kenaloe Nampenjaka because dinako dili dintsi ra lebala gore monna le ene ke motho. Nako dili dintsi ra lebala gore monna o tshwantse go ralle. Monna o tshwantse gore a omane a complain just as much as me a khona go dira the same thing. And that is actually what I want us to touch on. Because you've been running this thing for nako e rileng. Banna ba lagaeng and also basadi ba laga eng ka banna. In your general theme of how you've been running this thing.
Okay. Okay. No, it's not like that. It's deep.
Yeah.
You know what I've noticed there? Most men, they are so used to not being heard that they've made what the world has barking as like made of them their reality like now. Yeah. Isn't like to a point when we are like I wanna feel like I don't know ra chisa nyama nwena. Khona le mejita bale they've made breaking gonna di champagne lost of their identity. Yeah, so now they've also lost themselves while
creating this facade.
Exactly. So most gens they've lost themselves.
Sure.
And I have okay bring it from like the woman's perspective now. Most women they complain about a similar thing. Or men don't, men are. But then I'm like, have you taken the time to actually like working? Homoretsa jaka motho, not hore ke monna.
Gore ke monna. Homoretsa jaka motho.
Yeah. Because now like there's something that I always say there isn't like mother show don't do things to me. It's a way now we're not considering thing.
As motho, isn't as mosadi. As motho.
And then now like when I would gender was thinking guys no. How utlwana yana. Hello when you wouldn't want like to be breaking kind of like breaking as an like telemate for don't do that to me.
Because when I sit it doesn't sit well with you. Why would you think it would sit well with me?
Exactly. So now okay, just to wrap it up, like there's a huge disconnect more as in like such things because of what we've been taught. We have actually forgotten as like before there's a disconnect with the roots actually.
Yeah.
Connect
but the roots
re se re kopane ko tlase.
re se re kopane ko tlase.
Yeah, so yeah, man, like that's my observation, and like just one day at a time, no kore like ke like go ba bontsha hore working. Yeah, actually there's a disclaimer that I have there, like all the time, or guys, this is not a gender wars thing. Re like go thusa no za re like any solutions ga sore hey anonza ene we ra eng he monna ga we ra more he mo se wa tlula re fa go tla ka di solutions ene ga re lore gore banna ke basadi ke. So that's the base like disclaimer that I put out there. Horrible.
Because ga ya go tsa di sai ra tla go tsa di sai
re tlo go thusana go lofa ka.
It's a very interesting analogy gore so se pick up gore the problem is the disconnect omoding and ga re sa baakanye the core of re batho then hora gore botho ga boyo bo re dirang gore re tle re kgone go ratana gore re tle re kgone go tlhomphana. And in your opinion, based on the conversations that you've heard, are we fair to basadi go ka di cases tse dintsi re mara ke lona le re khosetsang mental health issues, or inherently o godile ka tsone ke fela gore motho o ke ena khonang go dubolla?
Okay. You know what I think then? It really wouldn't be fair to say gore ke this and then like ke this or that. So like now I feel like a combination of like a lot of things, because now gona le batho ba le ba batla go bolellang gore like bone ba godiswe yana so kunze like that's what they know.
That's what they know.
Some like let's say they were molested, you know, barking and as kids so kunze ba tshaba go tshaba barking go tshepa motho gape. So now ke like that kind of goes back to the roots thing actually.
Yeah.
You know, gore like ga se gore ke gore he basadi ba rira ya. No, yeah barking ga dibile gape barking kana so now remember gore for most things you grew up knowing for working as in like this is a norm. Or he monna ke provider monna ke working na dinto and then further la mosadi ke ntlo le kitchen le bana. So now how like that's what you know. Fair. Yeah, so now you end up being very influential as in like let's say in the world, and then now you make that a social norm.
You make it ka gore ke godile ana, this is the right way.
Yeah.
That time only 2 million people that are listening to you on social media.
Exactly.
Women saying vele oitsi wena o bua nnete, and you know mara that's your subjective way of looking at
view.
You know how it is, not actually the truth.
Exactly. So that's where now like most of these problems, they are rooted more like we are failing to understand the world from like different views, but then like we just choose honna ya na gore mama o rile papa o rile sokunze, like as in like that's facts. Magogo o rile alo and like that's fact.
That's fact.
Or wena wa reng wena ga gona le gore bare ke as in like mosadi ke kishi cut
gore mosadi like so ne re se lebeletse Maabane. We were watching another show Maabane. Mothakolo betsa mosadi o le ka mpama ele. Mothakolo betsa mosadi o le ka mpama o a moraga. To a man like me who that is not a norm, I cringe. I'm like, Edu. Mara go ene it's a norm because mo ke godile so. Indo da must or mosadi must bambezela
kanti nah man. So that's the disconnect, isn't like where it happens. So me okay, I'm like working, and besides listening to the show that I'm more like working in a radio station, my main goal is like just working, allow yourself to see things differently from like what you know. Yeah, or okay, as in like normal kid. But then again, so like here now and it's like a ring sharp and I'm like, oh okay, maybe this and that is so high so. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, you know?
Be open-minded.
Exactly that, yeah.
Be open-minded. I really think that's the key. To, love what's yours. Love what's yours and respect the other. Gore o tlo o kgone go nna le tsebe ya gore ka gore motho ke a motlotla ore ke tlotla sa gagwe ke kgona go se reetsa. Though I love what's mine, mara sa gagwe because ke a mo reetsa because ke a motlotla. So I think that's the fundamental thing se eleng gore re le batho re tsentse re se dire re boele ko moding. Back to the roots.
Like like when I just finished high school, like there was a high school mate of mine like who introduced me to this guy. Okay, but then like not like meeting him, but then he's a motivational speaker from America. I think very Jim Rohn actually. Then there's something that he said that I still live by, like even today. Like, that was like years ago. Working, and it says like what was that? Welcome all advice. Like welcome all advice. Like, but make sure like whatever you do is the product of your own conclusion. So basically meaning for share say the opinion so dia tlhatlhe sentle and then or
right kitse don't naya no no.
That's what I live by. You are not barking and 100% right core.
Yeah.
So the read some more or okay right. I read some plan.
Nah, because it's what you just said. Retsela and kya go bua ka banna because that's what I am and what I know. Gore banna ba bantsi. That's why ke sare all men.
Yeah.
Banna ba bantsi. Ke ona khanyere le belanye gore gone anong ba tshela ka di decisions tsa batho ba bangwe e seng tsa bona. Gore they were taking all these advices. Mara, they didn't make their own choice out of those advices. Ewo makala gore mara wena no le mo tseleng. All of a sudden o sutlile se khwamona. What happened?
And like that's is like really sad actually, bro.
That's what
like that's so sad, man.
It is very sad. But before re tswalla a ke batla go utlwa wena o nnetse go bua ka mojolo a wena mojolo wa go nyisa before or o go nyisitse o lapile before hey mona ka gore wa itse o kry mona and you know ke mafa nna ke le monna ke re yes mojolo o re nyisitse ba re hedile mara re tsere ditshwetso tsa gore dilo tse motho mong a go di dirileng a ske wa tsamaya ka tsone wa go tsena ka tsone ko mothong o montšha
100%.
gore dilo tse motho mong a go di dirileng e ske ya nna tshwetso ya gore o nne phologolo.
Wait. Okay, wait. So what is your question, Philip?
My question is in closing, what could be an advice from the root level?
Okay.
Because Gahovoda, you don't want to take side.
No. Actually, yeah, man. Yeah.
From the root level to everybody who wants to get into this thing.
Wait,
that they're always asking you about Samojol.
Okay. Oh man, you're right. Like, there's a lot that I can see there.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah.
But then, just to sum it up, understand that your partner, before they are your partner, they are human also.
True that.
When I feel like that part be okay. Yes, monna must. Yes, Barikin can like Mosadi must. Yes, for the economy is no yes, for the he but the flower but then remember when I was to learn moto. Ona le me ikutlo. Le no way me lo ke tsa gagwe. Sometimes when Barikin can like sometimes in a robot go bua nnete. O red o green o yellow but then tlhaloganya gore le ene ke motho.
Yeah.
Go tlile go nna le di flop tse baya mo gotle like ha perfect motho. Wena fela tlhaloganya that part and I like be reasonable, be logical over the idea of a perfect relationship.
A perfect partner.
Yeah, you know, because now that's one thing that's actually killing a lot of working and like relationships.
Yeah.
The idea of a perfect what's the like partner like working and like isn't like should be like this.
Yeah.
Braka hanga go blella gore motho a ka noena o working kind of like she found me with literally nothing.
Jeez, man.
And I bereka bontle but like she found me with zero and like le fanda ha santse le teng
because o lebeletse botho ba gago.
Motho ke mang beyond
all the accessories, all the world opinions, all the things molefatse.
Yeah, and I happy like learn to be content happy with yourself, man. Yeah, man, you know, and like most people should learn self-contentment. We are not perfect in Penchaga. We are not perfect. Yes, we want the Cinderella's like glove story thing, or yes, you found me and I found you and we're gonna live happily ever. Dude, there's gonna be matsatsiaro gore ke o tlile motho a go ka pelo go ke makatsala
Oh my. Utlele ga di go tsuka ga motho wa ntira.
justice mare witsigene mare like work later ga le robala o matla
Later.
o wena gore ngondo bya Exactly, man. So now let's be turning but to be 40 tightly.
Yeah.
Like that thing,
That
and
thing.
I born, I'm telling you, right?
Very important.
Very 100% important.
Man. Man, I like for a young man. Mafoko a fetsang go a bua for a young man ne nkare ke ntse le monna mogolo wa 71 years old. because that it's beautiful to discover yourself and be content with yourself. Wa bona this young man o re shootang gone yanong o rata go ntare ya malume so itse ha le motho batla motho itseng gore o batla wa kae gore lo yena o le motho o mang, you know. And I'm like, that's a superpower that I wish basimanyana ba bantsi could discover basantsane ba le banyane.
Actually, yeah, man.
Because with that in mind, mathatanyana a mantsinyana a tla fokotsega e seng motle.
A mantsi actually.
A le mantsinyana.
Yeah. No.
O re lo ra mantsi.
Hey, yeah, no. Actually, no. Actually, never working because now remember this starts isn't like psychologically. Isn't like working. Like simulation actually. Simula mutlo home day. So I know most of the young boys now, they think, oh, and no man, it's like this is a stage actually working in life for. Tshwanetse ne bojalwa, tshwanetse o je banyana botlhe mo kasi, o tshwanetse o groove, o tshwanetse tsamaya with the latest things. Working kana motho. Ona fela ba ka tlhaloganya gore tsala. Ana dilo tseo, okay, fit there like 2 minutes nyana, it's fine. Mare sheba kwa pele tsala.
Lebelle kwa pele.
Like a lot of things braga jo like di ka fokotsega. It's a buy. I want to put a GBV, it's a buy. I want to lead suicide. Yeah, actually, there's a stat like that I saw about it. There's like recently for like, I think about 60+% of like men.
Yeah.
Oh no, of the population actually in the world. Here is suicide. Imagine. Because of njefa like ngondo ile ya go tlhaloganya gore hey man yeah federe bra like you na le dlale nice but in federe no it's like that's his time
yours is coming.
Exactly.
Be content
tlhaloganya gore hey wena you don't have to go rob a bank gore ke gore ke la banyana di khoto go spoto
man.
No, a lot of things but yeah anyway sorry about that.
No, it's just incredible contentment mo botshelong. Ipatle o ipatlisise o ithole
o
itlhaloganya. Man.
Yeah man.
Mr. Leroy HD.
Our brag.
Abudu aga ne ke go bileditse fa go gora kere ra go bona. Ra go utlwa, ra go retsa. Gore o ske wa itha gore ga re go support. Itse fela gore in your Ask a Man platform, in your Makoya rundown, in you as a human being, as a person, ra go bona and na ke le lucky khosimang wa Moitsi Know Him or Her podcast. Ne kere ke gore kere abudi carry on, keep on doing what you're doing. Re go eletsa masego le matlhogonolo in every single thing that you are doing because we want you to win and we see you.
No man, thanks a lot for that, man. Hey man, as because you know, hey dog, hey, varki kera wait malo ga neke ba blella mo ga ne show. Kera kes wait mari. Like it feels like working as like so weird that there's over about the average is like 2,000 people actually watching. There. I'm like, let's go na le nna go reetsa radio, like, as in, like, really. I'm like, wow. So now, working as in, like, very recently, I actually discovered how big this thing is.
Yeah.
Like, as in, like, to a point where they will host the kind of like radio show. Mentioned it.
Wow.
Momentful. I was like, okay, wait. What? Yeah, says says Kuzo Lady. Yeah. She mentioned my name, my handle, and I was like, wait, what just happened?
Yeah.
So now, just to understand what, yeah, no, thanks a lot. And I got the, like, it's just a listening party, guys.
Yeah.
Like, I saw it get like a whole thing, like, phone, fella. I read radio.
It has an impact, Awuti.
Damn, man.
And we really thank you. Na ka tlwaelo e re ga ke tswalla ke atle ke re o nne le pelo e tshweu fa o le motho o nne le pelo e ntle fa o le motho pelo e jegang pelo e pelonolo gonne pelo e pelonolo ke yone pelo e tletseng lerato ke modimo ke lerato re tla kopana gape ka nako e tlang fa modimo le badimo ba ratile salam
Spread love.